Hello, my name's Min Huai. Today I will talk about a social studies topic. Do you know what the topic is? It's everything changes over time. But now this time it's not Lily who teaches us. It's Pinky. But Pinky says she's drinking some peach juice, so she needs to wait. So now let's wait for her, okay? Lily, call and call her for me. Okay. Boom! Pinky is here! Hello, Pinky! Hello! Yesterday, I have a lot of fun thing to do with my aunts. Do you want I to teach you? No. Later. Because today we're going to talk about everything changes over time. Okay, so let's see. We have the past and the present. Okay, so we have past and present. So let's see. In the past, we have very old and big buildings. These buildings are made out of bricks or rocks, right? And they're very hard. They're very old now, and usually kings and queens live in these kind of house. But now, and this time, we have a lot of big buildings, a lot of apartments, a lot of houses. So that will be an easier way to live. Next, we have calculators. Did you ever saw calculators table like this? I have one like this too. Let me show you. Okay, this is my calculators. So these kind of calculators, usually they have buttons, they have pins like this. Let me show you how to use these. They're very hard. So imagine here. I will make my table to be look like this. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 columns. One column has 5 bins. 1 on the top and 4 in the bottom. So from this directions, from the left to the right, count 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the third column. Now let's count. Okay? 1, plug it 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. And what do we have when we have 5? We won't have this and plus 1 more because now shows 9. So how? We would only take 1 beans up and take these beans down. We have 5. Now next, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn to the next column, we have tens. The next we have thousands, we have hundreds, we have thousand, we have 10,000, we have 100,000, we have thousand of thousand, we have a lot more columns like this. Okay? So when you calculate by this table, it's very hard and usually you have a lot of mistakes. So in this time, we use laptops. We use calculators that are made from electricity. Okay, kind of like this. I would enter in the number like 15,526. Minus 35 equals, it will be the answer for us. 15,069,1691. Good job. So when we use this calculator, we would be kind of like, do not waste time, right? Very nice. Okay, and in the past, like my mom, she is very, very young. And she's like kind of baby. But now in the in this time, she's an adult, a very, very, very old adult, an old adult, right? She is now an adult, not a baby anymore. So everything changes over time. Let's see. This table shows us buildings, machines, ages. Maybe now we have a lot of rates advice, right? Okay, so let me show you. This one is very nice. This is a timeline. Did you ever see a timeline? Okay, let me show you. This is an example of a timeline. A timeline shows how things change over time. So this is kind of like a ruler. It shows the age 0, age 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way to 7. So in the 0 years old, Tom was born. Tom is born. In 4 years old, it's Tom's 4th birthday. It is 7 years old, it's Tom's first bike. So I will show you how to draw a timeline, okay? So that you can show about differences between past and this time, okay? Okay, so can you see? This is now my whiteboard. Now I will show you how to draw. Okay. First, we would use a pen, okay? A pen, put the size in a little bit, okay? Choose your favorite color, choose pink, of course. Okay? So now I will draw a line like this. Okay? A line. Now you use kind of like black for me with a smaller sign. Or maybe too small. Small that you think is okay. Now draw lines that are in an equal state. Okay? Maybe it's not equal now. Yeah, draw kind of like a ruler. If you can, and you draw numbers too, so it can be easier. I can't now. Because I'm using my laptop. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14th. Kind of like my sister is 14 years old now. She's 14 years old. So we would draw when she was 1 year old. She is kind of like a cute baby. When she is 6 years old, she is now starting to ride the bikes. Okay, I will show the two wheels, okay? And when it is 10 years old for her, she would have a very nice room for herself, a real room for herself. And when it's 14 years old, she's now what? Can you guess? Maybe you can't. But in this time, she'd be in high school, or she's going to be in grade 10, right? So now it is her new time, right? So we've learned about timeline. Timeline shows how things change over times. And we've learned about what was called everything changes over time. We can have ages, machines, technology, education, buildings, cities, right? And science, all things buildings changes all over the times. You can change from a little kid to a big adult. So now it's time to say bye-bye.